Hey, welcome back everyone. Notice how hot it is out there. Ooh, it's a scorcher, 87 degrees, a lot warmer than yesterday. Yesterday we still got up to about 84. Well, that's what it feels like out there. Yeah, the feels like temperature. It feels dry, a little bit of a breeze. All right, doesn't feel as hot. Your AC bill will say otherwise though. I almost guarantee that. All right, well, I got a lot more 90s popping up on here. Not too surprised by this either. Upper 80s from Seminole to Andrews to Odessa to lower 90s. 91 in Fort Stockton, 92 in Pecos. Some of those mid 90s trying to pop up along the Rio Grande. Nothing too crazy or crazy enough that we can't handle it. Let's put it that way. I am watching a little bit of moisture trying to pass its way through mainly our southernmost counties. Most of the rain you're seeing here on radar is not making it down to the ground, but I'm not here to complain about a quick little isolated sprinkle. We could always use some more rainfall. By tonight, well, we're going to be starting to see an increase in moisture, mainly ahead of this next cold front. That's going to leave us with some partly cloudy skies tonight and about 15 degrees above average for those temperatures. Not too surprising, just given how warm it was this afternoon. But by tomorrow, I actually have us cooling down a good 10 degrees. All right, so that's a pretty decent cold front, but it's not without a catch. Typically, when we need a cold front strong enough to deal with our weather, it's going to be bringing in some isolated showers and thunderstorms. So here's tonight, relatively clear skies, a little passing clouds here and there. Starting off early tomorrow morning, mainly some heavy cloud cover out to our easternmost counties and regions. But then we head into the afternoon and evening, and well, I really didn't see much other than maybe a quick little dot here and there. So you might run into a quick little pop-up sprinkle. But beyond that, I'm not too concerned. Heading into Thursday, we are actually looking at some severe storms trying to pop their way in as this cold front sits on top of us. All right, so let's watch where that severe weather is popping up. Aha, right on top of Midland, Odessa at about 4 o'clock. Is that it? Yeah, it kind of extends its way over toward Big Spring and then up to Snyder by around 6 o'clock and, well, it's gone. Okay, now we can have heavy localized severe storms. It just seems a little bit weird that Storm Prediction Center decided to put this level 2 slight risk on top of us. I can guarantee you this, the worst of the severe weather is going to stay well to our north, more toward Lubbock and more toward parts of western Oklahoma rather than on top of the Permian Basin. We'll keep our eye on it in the meantime, but I am going to go weather impact alert just because we do have that chance for some of that hail and even some tornadic activity. It's still a little early. You saw just how unimpressive it looked on the models. But hey, by the weekend, I get an even stronger cold front. Severe chances, not right now. Of course, that can change. But hey, I like those 60s. That looks really good, Jolena.
And that is ideal for this type of weather. Coming up next, Jim Carrey